I have anxiety symptoms. Can I take ADHD medications? One of the side effects of ADHD medication is worsening anxiety. In my clinical practice, what I have found sometimes kids and teenagers who are struggling with ADHD and anxiety, sometimes the anxiety symptoms are part of the ADHD. What does it mean? Let's imagine a child or a teenager who is having difficulty doing homework, submitting assignment, staying on task. So when it is time to close to the exam or the test, so they get a lot of panic attack, they get a lot of anxiety symptoms because they have not prepared well, they were not be able to submit the assignment. They know that they have the tendency to make careless mistakes, so the exam or the test can become very challenging to the point that they may start having anxiety symptoms, and that anxiety symptoms are actually part of the ADHD as well. And many times in my clinical practice, when I treat ADHD symptoms, actually the anxiety symptoms get better on itself. So that is one thing. The second thing is, if the anxiety symptoms are very significant, that is not happening only around a test or certain situation, but a generalized anxiety, and it is impairing significantly for their day-to-day functioning, sometimes we treat the anxiety symptoms first, anxiety diagnosis first, before we treat ADHD symptoms.